Alright guys, so with the new advancement of AI and a lot of people using AI to generate music, and you just want to switch up those songs to your own voice. So I'm going to be showing you how you can just easily do that. So we're going to create a song on Suno, and then we're just going to transform that voice we've created into an artist's voice. For me that I can't sing, I would have used my voice, but I can't sing and I don't want to try. So I'm gonna use Egarboi vocal. Right, is Suno. I've just generated this song. I've generated a couple of songs, but I think this is the one that I really love. So let's just listen to what it sounds like. And just
you're walking like you know you fine. Sunlight they jealous your shine.
for me, I've always said I really don't like, AI drums. Most times when I create, I just want to create the drums myself, create some of the melodies, but, still use the vocals. So in this case, I'm just going to be focusing on the vocal, right? So what I'm going to do is just come over here. I'm just going to get stems. So for me, I'm going to download all the whole stems. So I'm just going to download everything. So I'm just going to hit on download and download everything. All right, so I have everything here. So I have the drums, I have the vocals, and you can hear what the song sounds like.
You sweet like wine, I swear.
Alright, so I'm gonna carry this lead vocal right here, which is this.
Fire on me, oh baby, fire on you.
Yeah, I'm just gonna carry this into controller.xyz, and in controller.xyz you can actually train an AI to sound just like you. Right, so you could come over to create a voice. All you just need to do is upload your clean vocal, and they've given an example how they want the vocals to be, keep it clean and all. So if your file is up to standard, all you just need to do is carry some dry recording of your vocal and just upload it. Or you could even record the vocal. You could just allow your mic and basically just select your mic and record yourself. But for me, what I'm gonna do is the other option, which is to upload music, because it's not my voice I'm using. Right, so I'm just gonna hit on my files me standard, and I'm just gonna go over and drag in that Egarboi's vocal I've exported. Yeah, I'm just gonna drag it and just put it here, and it's gonna upload the file and basically just train the AI to sound like Egarboi. So that's gonna upload, and once that is done, you have your own voice. So I've created two models here. I have one of my guy Guanti, and I also have for Egarboi's vocal. So in this case, I'm just gonna be using, once you generated your model is going to appear on your voices, so you can then select whichever one you want to use, right? So for me, I'm just going to use this vocal right here, and all I just need to do is drag in that vocal that I've just exported, which is the lead vocal right here. I'm just going to drag it in and just drop it here. Could pitch it up if you want to, but in this case, because it's a male vocal, the AI vocal is a male vocal, I don't need to pitch it, so I can just come over, go some advanced settings. I think I want to normalize the output gain, yep, and maybe remove reverb and just save it and just click on swap voices, and it's just gonna do its magic and swap the voices for us. We're gonna drag it into FL Studio, add in some effect, and we're gonna see what it sounds like on your song. So I'm just gonna put it close to the reference up here. So we have this, just bring down the gain a little bit, and I'm just going to pick a portion.
Now you are go call my.
This sounds so much like Egarboi. I'm just going to add in some effects. Let's just put in some nice effects, just have here.
Now you are go call my.
So let's put it.
Fire on me. And I know I won't let it go. Yellow they burn like kerosene.
You can see how this just sounds. So like for me now, let me just play the original. We have this,
fire on me.
and we have this.
And I know I won't let it go. Follow your vibe.
Yeah, so we have this also.
Why slow make I follow your vibe? Yellow they sweet like morning giant. From Lagos to Dubai we fly. You and me we go day out like. Baby no delay me. Give me green light, make you day, girl. You said fire on me.
It sounds so amazing. Sounds so much like Egarboi vocal. So right now, for your AI song, you can personalize it and just use your own vocal, so it sounds like you, and you have more consistent vocal. So we have from this the AI sounding vocal.
Sunlight they jealous, sunlight they jealous your shine.
So you can see, let's split it.
Body like rhythm, you sweet like wine. I swear. Now you are go call mine.
Then I can then decide to switch up this beat into something amazing. Maybe I could even do that. Maybe just try to change the drums. Let's just changing the loop. I think maybe prefer this loop. I think this loop will be better. Yeah.
You walk you like you know you fine. Sound like they jealous your shine. Body like rhythm, you sweet like wine. I swear. Now you are go call mine. Oh, don't tell you set fire on me. And I know.
Guys, you can see I've just swapped the vocal, and for me now I feel like even working on this because this just sounds so much better. And let's put it. Let's see this.
Light up my soul, oh baby, fire on you. Forever I'm there for you. Fire on me, and I know I'll let it go. Yellow the ball light.
So instead of having this
Fire on me,
sounding more amazing,
fire on me, and I know I'll let it go. Yellow the ball light, I don't see.
Right, so guys, if you want to just go try out controller XYZ, I'll leave a link in the description. Very, very easy to train, create the AI to sound like you. It takes quite, an amount of time, but once you generated it the first time, it's fixed and you can always just generate. So yeah, that's how you can just swap, your AI vocals to sound more like you or sound more personalized. So definitely you want to go try it out, and just keep being creative with your generations. And for me, I'm just gonna go back and work on this beat and just finish it up, and for me it sounds amazing. And if you want to hear this final output of this, just drop a comment in the comment section so I'll let you guys know when it's out.
Fire on me, and I know I'll let it go. Yellow the ball like I don't see. Steady they light up my soul. Oh baby, fire on you. Forever I'm there for you.